Do you remember these benches in Trinidad and Tobago? You would if you are as old as I am. Keep watching till the end for the new age of benches in TNT. But first, let's reflect on what used to be there. These old-time benches had concrete sides and wooden lengths that served as the seat and back. They used to be painted in an uninviting medium green color. These benches would be placed around parks and sometimes around schools. People used to sit and think, do some work, make a contact, or even lovers would sit and talk. And talking about that, if you like my videos, please do subscribe and like it. It is much appreciated. Back to these park benches. The main problem with these benches is how easily they broke. One of the wooden lengths would break, and then the whole thing would shake and collapse. Sadly, the vagrants would often occupy them and make them their own outdoor homes as well. And when that happened, no one would want to sit on them because they would remember the occupier from the day before. So what a delight it was to pass by the Queen's Park Savannah in Port of Spain and see some well-constructed benches. But that is not all. These were art benches, in that they had ceramic tiles fitted into the back with different patterns of artwork. This is the thing I like to see for Trinidad and Tobago. Now, you are probably wondering if all the benches had art like this. Most in the vicinity were, and as you would expect, some had broken tiles. I really hope the citizenry takes care of these. It adds to the beauty of the country.